Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BambooHR, manage employee information step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for BambooHR. Press the Enter key to navigate to the BambooHR homepage. Once the page loads, locate the Login button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the Login page. Here, you will need to enter your company's subdomain. This subdomain is typically provided by your HR department. After entering your subdomain, click the Continue button. Now, enter your username in the designated field. Make sure to enter your username exactly as it was provided. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, you can click the Forgot Password link. This will allow you to reset your password through email verification. Once you have entered your username and password, click the Login button. This will log you into your BambooHR account. After logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard. From here, you can manage employee information as needed. Explore the different tabs to find various employee management options. If you need to log out, find the user profile icon in the top right corner. Click on your profile icon and select Log Out from the drop-down menu. This completes the login process for BambooHR. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.